Well, hello and welcome to a new episode. This time I'm making a shop upgrade. I've recently installed French cleats on this part of my shop, and as you can see here, I've already built a small prototype because I have to move things around. I want to be as flexible as possible. Okay, keep it simple. So for those clamps that Wolfcraft sent me recently, I decided to use some L-profile aluminium, and do the very same thing for the bigger clamps, and well, have to think of something else for the big clamps that they've sent as well. Alright, let's do this.